Recommended software commonly used for CNC. 1. SolidWorks. Focus on product design and modeling, providing powerful part modeling tools, assembly design functions, and engineering analysis functions, enabling users to create complex designs and conduct engineering verification. 2. Mastercam. Focus on machining path generation and cutting strategy optimization, provides rich milling, turning, and multi-axis machining functions, can generate efficient and accurate tool passes, and provides a series of tools to optimize the machining process. 3. UGNX. Balanced in all aspects, with more models and other functions, and wider applicability.